Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And today's video is another pin unboxing video. I only have 3 pins to open and I have 2 microphones. This is fake, this is real, but I think I have to charge this because it's like blinking, you know? So we're just gonna go with it. So today I went to Dutch Bros because I wanted my coffee. And plus I had a gift card, and Kitty has a cough coming on. And my Dutch Bros water. And yeah, so I was a bad girl today because, you know, I like pens. You know, I collect them, obviously. And here are some of my hidden Disney ones. And then Animaniacs. And Pinky and the Brain, you know, because that was my childhood right there. So, I only bought 3 pens. Well, 3 blind boxes. With very little money. You could donate to my cause, you know, so I could get more. Donate to the Katie Melissa pen fund. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'm just kidding. And then when I was at Box Lunch at Santan Village Mall, I ran into another pen trader that I traded with at the pen event. So there was that. And I'm a different person when I hold this. I am like such a different person. That's when my real personality comes out. So other than that, we're just gonna jump right into the video. And I will show you the pens that we have. So I don't have any of this one. And it's the Princess Icon Dangle. So like the DreamCatcher. So you get Jasmine, Belle, Rapunzel, Cinderella, Tiana, and Pocahontas. I don't have any of these. And I really want Jasmine, Belle, and Pocahontas. Or maybe Rapunzel or Cinderella. Anybody but Tiana. So, and then I don't have any of these, and this was the last one, so I took it because these are brand new. So, I don't know if a lot of people know that these do exist just yet. So, I really want the whole set. And last week, I did a trade, so I did get a Jock and Gus. And I think I got Raja from Aladdin. So I basically want any of them really. But if I had to choose Flounder or the Good Fairies as what I... Oh yeah, that's what it says. Never mind. I think I called them the Good Mothers a couple of days ago when I opened this. So I guess we'll start with this one since where we got, you know, some of them already. So we'll just open her up. Excuse me. So let me put my microphones down for just a moment. Okay, let's see if I could do it this way. Do I have this on still? Probably not, but it's okay. We'll worry about it later. Okay, so here we are opening the barrettes, right? That's what it's called, right? Hair clips. Okay. As always, that's what we do. When you're on my page, we throw the boxes up in the air. I don't know who you are. So 3, 2. Oh. Okay, so I did get one of the ones I had last week. Cool. Okay, I think I will keep that. And next we have the Zoe. I'm doing a video, you little girl. And that's my dog barking. So, yay her. Little chicken head. Okay, so I would know who I would get because of the dangle and probably the shape, so I want Belle. So Oh, Cinderella. Yeah. So we got Cindy. I don't know if I'm going to keep her. I don't know. I'll think about her for a moment. Wait a minute, I got 2 Cinderellas in one video? Okay. So in this one, you could get MATER, Rescue Squad, MATER, L, Matador, right? Yeah. MATER Hawk, MATER the Greater, and Mystery. Oh, I forgot what the mystery was. Shoot. Okay. But first, let's do our water break. Okay. I should probably do like an updated pen collection at some point, you know? Because it's been a while since I've done one. Okay, let's see who we get. I really want all of them. And, you know, Katie's running out of space on her cars board. Yeah, because she's trying to finish a couple of sets and putting the randoms in the other area, so. Alright. Let's see who we get. Ooh. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wait, is this the mystery or no? Oh, this is the one I wanted! Oh my goodness, that is like so cool. Alright, so I got MATER the Greater, so woohoo! So yay! Okay, this is not how you do the video, but if you turn it this way, then you could talk. Okay. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, y'all know what to do with the subscribe, the like, the comments, the share. You know, my comedy throughout my videos. Because I am hilarious. I should be an actress, you know, according to some. Latricia. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you for watching and happy pen trading!